Almost 250,000 people are affected every year.
Fatigue, frequent infections.
Only 10% of us would recognise any of the symptoms.
The symptoms can be fairly nebulous. Half of us can't name any.
Charities are calling to give it the priority it deserves.
Would you be able to spot the symptoms of blood cancer?
Despite being the third biggest cancer killer in the UK, blood cancer doesn't get the recognition or the funding that it deserves. We came up with the initial concept of the unseen. Bringing that to life and realising it was another step.
Wanted the installation to create a disruption.
To dramatise that invisibility, to give a voice to the patients. We came up with this idea of eerie, transparent life-size figures representing the unseen.
104 blood cancers, all fall within 9 charities. They're all represented by the 9 different statues.
Charities have come together to install a thought-provoking set of statues.
Passers-by engage with the stories of those living with the disease.
We wanted to bring the plinths to life, so we added real recordings of real people.
We wanted to engage people, we wanted them to be moved.
Real sufferers who told you about their disease and educated you about it.
And these translucent figurines are representative of the fact that blood cancer symptoms can be exceptionally difficult to see.
The origination for the figures was arrived at by scanning real people, and then the 3D files were sent to a 3D printer.
The figures themselves have got to be robust, and the electronics inside of them have got to be robust as well.
With the installation moving around, it had to be entirely watertight.
In terms of how 3D objects might be constructed to order in the future, this is pretty groundbreaking.
We had 4 locations to make sure that it covered the breadth of the UK.
We started in London, then we travelled to Cardiff, Manchester and Edinburgh. Best available location, having high footfall.
Blood cancer claimed more lives last year than both breast and prostate cancer. An awareness campaign has now got underway to try to put that right.
Once we saw them on site, we couldn't have imagined the impact that they would all have together.
Hearing the orchestration of patients' stories being played from all 10 statues was incredibly powerful.
We wanted to employ the classic attraction, interaction, action technique of the installation, or see us, hear us, support us, as we expressed it. We wanted to get people's attention, engage them with the patient stories, and motivate them to act by spreading the message and pressing the red button. What we were hoping is that people would be moved by the installation and feel compelled to show their support.
Also the buzz that we've had on social media.
In total, we got over 13,000 pledges of support for the installation. We're seeing what people are posting, and a lot of the posts are pretty heartfelt.
It helps you connect with the cause and with the patients. So not every day we get to work on a project that is directly impacting people.